That's right, I just saved around $200 with a new Unreal Engine Marketplace content. These are free for the month, so make sure to grab them right away. Sim Polytown is a complete digital assets pack for creating high-quality town-themed games. This environment is perfect for exterior scenes with a simple art style, with over 150 models including houses, walls, props and more. This pack has everything you need to bring your town to life. Add some visual flair to your game with Character Body FX Volume 1, a mannequin character featuring 19 emitters and 16 unique effects including bubbles, chains, fire and more. The effects can be attached to any skeletal mesh, making it easy to add to your game. Create stunning sci-fi environments with this modular sci-fi village pack. With 3 prefabricated building structures and added elements like ladders, lamp posts and benches, you can customize the scene to your liking. This pack has everything you need to create your dream village. Bank Building Interior Pack is a complete bank environment pack featuring an interior and exterior that can be customized with wall, ground, door, ceiling and props. With lots of unique meshes, materials and textures as well as 1K and 2K resolutions, this pack has it all. Get it now while it's free. The Puzzle Kit is a comprehensive solution for creating first-person puzzle games. The set is designed to be user-friendly and flexible, allowing you to create puzzles without any prior knowledge of blueprint programming. At the same time, you can also customize the asset to add your own elements to the game. Thank you for watching. If you want to see more of the asset in action, be sure to check out the demo videos on creators' YouTube channels. And if you are ready to start using these assets in your own projects, simply click on the marketplace link to download them right away. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay up to date on all of the latest Unreal Marketplace content. Until next time, farewell.